In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export YouTube Analytics data to Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to pull data for a one-time export or you're preparing manual reports, this method will guide you through each step with ease. First things first, let's kick things off by heading over to YouTube Studio. You'll need to be logged into the YouTube account you want to export data from for this process to work smoothly. Once you're in the YouTube Studio interface, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, you'll want to click on Analytics. This section is your gateway to understanding more about how your channel is performing. Now that you're in the Analytics section, you'll see different tabs at the top. These include Overview, Content, Audience, and Revenue. Each of these tabs provides different metrics and insights, allowing you to have a comprehensive view of how your channel is doing. For the purpose of this tutorial, feel free to explore each of these tabs to get a sense of the data available to you. Remember, the more familiar you are with your dashboard, the easier the export process will be. Next, direct your focus towards locating the Advanced Mode button. It's usually found on the right side of your screen within the Analytics area. Clicking on this button will allow you to access a more detailed view of your analytics data, which is crucial for exporting data effectively. Advanced Mode is particularly useful if you're keen on digging deeper into specific metrics that are critical to your reporting needs. Once you've switched to Advanced Mode, your next step is to click on Export Current View. As the name suggests, this button will enable you to export exactly what you're seeing on the screen. A drop-down list will appear, and here you'll want to select CSV as your format. CSV files are widely used for data export tasks because they are easy to manipulate and universally compatible with most spreadsheet software, including Google Sheets. After selecting CSV, your file should start downloading automatically to your device. Now it's time to transition over to Google Sheets, where we'll do the last part of our process. Open Google Sheets in your web browser, and in the top menu, click File, then Import. Here, you'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. You can do this by navigating to the section of your computer where the file was downloaded and selecting the file to upload it to your Google Sheets. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see your YouTube Analytics data neatly laid out in a spreadsheet format. This makes it super convenient to customize or share your reports with collaborators by taking advantage of Google Sheets' versatile sharing and editing features. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your YouTube Analytics data into Google Sheets, making your reporting tasks a breeze. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, you can always revisit any step if things don't go as smoothly as planned. Happy analyzing!